this is Young Falcon and welcome back to my channel. Let me share with you one of the health benefits of oregano for dogs. Traditionally, oregano is used as cough remedy for kids and adults, but in this video, I give oregano for dogs as cough remedy as well. So, let me show you how. Wash and clean the leaves thoroughly, about 5 to 6 oregano leaves. Pat it dry and make sure there's no excess water in it. Pound these oregano leaves using this mortar and pestle. Strain the extract juice and put in a clean container. Ta-da! This is now oregano extract, and you can give this to your dog as cough remedy. 2 ml twice a day by using this disposable syringe. Don't store leftover on fridge, and always repeat procedure every time you give oregano to your dogs. Comment down